Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you a good transition in PowerPoint. Let's see it like this and this. How can we create it? Okay, don't waste our time. Let's go. First, you need to go to PowerPoint and open new PowerPoint. You can control N or open directly in PowerPoint. Yeah, and then you can insert the picture that you want. For me, I insert from the online tool here, and then you can type dear here. Where is dear you want, like yes, many dear. Which dear you want? Yes, I choose this one. That's okay. And then insert. Yes. And a lion. Insert again. Picture, online picture, and then type lion. Go. Where is my lion? Here. I choose this one. Yeah, and I can online it, and you can play control, and here you can zoom it out. Yeah, and then you can drag it here. The deer, you can enlarge the deer. Yeah, and the lion here. And then you need to create new, duplicate the slide. Yes, and then the second slide, here the first slide, and here the second slide. The second slide you can enlarge the lion picture, and zoom in the deer picture. Okay, and then you enlarge the lion, and zoom in the deer, and then you need to go to transitions. Yeah, if you take none transition, yeah, nothing happen here. Zoom in. Yeah, if you select morph transition, it's gonna happen here. Transition, and how fast, and push. Yeah, for the new transition for PowerPoint 2021, it is morph here. The good transition you should know. Okay, like when you play it, like here and then here. Yeah, like this one. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. I wish it a good tip for you, and don't forget to consider subscribe to motivate me as well. Thank you. Bye bye.